While visiting my friend's village out in rural Ukraine, I took my drone out to fly around a bit. I realized that my friend's grandmother, or Babushka, who doesn't even have an internet connection, would probably be pretty interested in seeing my tiny flying robot. She seemed like she liked it, so I thought I'd see if I could teach her how to fly it.
Finger on this. She's a pilot.
The next morning, one of the neighbors stopped by and wanted to see the drone flying. And then the most amazing thing happened. As I leaned over to show them the view from the drone's camera, Toma's Babushka just took the controller right out of my hands and with no prompting, just started piloting the drone on her own.
She's just going for it. Well, I'm gonna let her fly it around.
Okay.
she's having fun. But I'm amazed how quickly she's got comfortable with that. So now when people ask me how hard it is to fly this thing, I say, well, I was in Ukraine and I taught a Babushka to fly it in like 5 minutes, so I think anyone can fly one of these. You like it?
So what do they think?
They think that is expensive. Yeah, they liked it.
Yeah, cool.